Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 1B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. So we will provide according to the subject and according to the certification. So if you need answers, contact today. We will surely provide all the answers. So first B is how have geographical features like rivers and mountains historically influenced the location and the development of human settlements. So this question is basically taken from the chapter number lesson 2 and towards limits are 40 to 60. If you need this, you can contact us today. So we will give all the answers according on your WhatsApp also. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.